Failure is a part of your journey of success. Failure and success go hand in hand, you can't have one without the other. If there still beats a fluttering pulse of a dream inside you, we have exactly what you want to fuel your business goals. Onpassive features AI solutions power. With automation, we won't be replacing staff, but we enable them to push themselves to their best work, efficiently and reliably in value-maximizing ways. We drive automated traffic to your business with a steady stream of visitors. Improve your online presence with the help of our AI traffic generator tools. Witness ephemeralization with Onpassive, ability of technology to do more and more with very less efforts with the help of our plug-and-play system. We provide self-optimizing business campaigns and manage them across various channels and design holistic cross-channel strategy. Yes, it started with one. Mr. Ash is putting his heart and passion into this. Take it on yourself to look closer at this extraordinary company, and get back to the person that shared with short introduction video to you.